Hey there, this is Rick with the Mercedes Diesel Guy channel. As you may or may not be able to see, I am sitting in my 91 VW Vanagon, and today's a special day. I'm on my way to pick up a new project. Well, not exactly pick up, I'm on my way to pay for a new project. I'm on my way to finalize the deal, and then I'll, have to go back with a tow truck sometime in the next week, but I'm going to get going now, and then I will hopefully be able to get a little bit of footage when I get there. Alright, so here it is. This is an 84 VW Vanagon 1.9. It's basically complete, except for the middle seat and the rear windows here. I don't know why those are missing. But I've been into the engine compartment. Pretty much everything's there. I mean, it's been sitting here, as I understand it, for, I don't know, 5 years or so, and hasn't been seriously driven in some time. So I don't really have much of any history on it. I know that it ran and drove, and at some point, just before it was parked, I don't know in what condition, but and there's a lot of unknowns. I can't verify the engine or transmission condition, but I'm optimistic. Like I said, it's all here, and I'm gonna get it towed back up to my house, and when I have a little more time, I will be starting on the project. Definitely needs a lot of interior work. I was in here yesterday. There was an angry bee, which seems to have vacated now. See a tan vinyl interior. The center door panel there is in very poor condition and sitting on the ground. Rear vinyl seat. There's a piece of plexiglass and a piece of corrugated plastic to cover over the window holes. Headliner is filthy, needs to be scrubbed out. I was told that maybe at one point it had air conditioning, and of course I didn't believe the guy yesterday because I didn't see anything in here, but now I'm looking up at the ceiling and I can definitely see the for lack of a better word, the dirt shadow of the old AC vents, because this was an 84, so it would have had a vent going along here and along here. So I remember in my parents' 85, there was a unit that was just up front here. My dad's 89 has AC ducting that goes all the way to the back. So yeah, I guess this was equipped with AC at one time. I'm probably not going to reconstitute that. Putting it back in is probably going to be a bit too much of a pain. Let's see what else. This one is an automatic. Really not much else to say here. I mean, I don't really know anything about it. My task will be, of course, to get it home, clean it up, and see if maybe I can get it running. I mean, scratch that. I'm going to get it running. I just don't know exactly what it needs yet. This van is going to need love end to end. I like this as a project because it's big and the whole family will be able to enjoy it. So what else? Definitely need a seat belt on this side here. I think it's been swapped out for just this lap belt, and I gotta be honest, I'm not okay with just a lap belt here. I want a 3-point belt, the way it should be. So anyhow, that's that. This is Rick with the Mercedes Diesel Guy channel, and like I said, my next task is to get this bus home. Let's see, oh yeah, I haven't even checked the odometer yet. I already did the deal. That says it's clocking in at 110,634. I have no idea how accurate that is. I don't know if that's a replacement odometer or not, or if that has stopped working at any point. Let's see what else. Analog clock, very similar to what I originally had in my 91. not much else to say. So this is Rick with the Mercedes Diesel Guy channel, and I will bring you more as this project progresses.